Hi and welcome to my channel. So in my last video I mentioned that I was gonna become a regular on YouTube again, and that's not really what happened, and I will tell you why in a second. But first let me announce something, or kind of announce something. So basically I've been working on this project of mine since January this year or thereabouts, and it's been really helping me to stay focused and to just pretty much stay focused and just don't overthink life and stuff. And Helena Daydreamer is expanding, and it's gonna become a website as well. And not just any website, it will be a shop with lots of goodies for crafters and jewelry makers and people who like making things that sparkle. Some of you might already know. If you follow me on TikTok and Instagram, you probably might have guessed already, because I have been giving you hints. So my website, helenadaydreamer.com, will launch, hopefully, fingers crossed, end of June this year. If not, then it will be beginning of July this year. And yeah, I'm basically giving it my all. I'm just like putting all my free time into this, and the reason why I haven't been present on YouTube is pretty much the fact that I just don't have time to make videos, because videos take so long to make, I mean tutorials. And although I've got so many ideas that I want to share, I already have so many designs that I want to, show you. I just can't right now, because I really want to finish this project. I really want to finish this website and launch it, and then I can relax. I mean, can't really, but you know what I mean. And I don't need to think about, oh my god, I need to still sort this and sort that. I'm still sorting products and still need to take products photos and, oh my god, set up the whole website. I'm kind of doing a bit at a time. Honestly, like every free second I spend on this, and I really don't have that much time. It's only when my little one naps or when the boys are sleeping, and then I work. So yeah, but I'm really excited about it, like super excited, super nervous. I have no idea how it's gonna go. I'm just trying not to have any expectations, because I don't want to be disappointed. But even if it doesn't go well, then I'm just gonna work really hard to make it work, because I definitely have a certain vision what I want to kind of achieve with this website. And yeah, fingers crossed, like I said. So yeah, I will probably try and make another video closer to the date and just let you know exactly when it's gonna launch, so you can go and check it out when it actually does. But it will be very soon, because I am already paying for the for running the website, and I'm not even really running it. I'm not really using it, selling anything, so I'm just kind of throwing money out of the window. Oh, not really sure if I like that. So that's why I am really concentrating on finishing this website. And that's it really. So yeah, this is just a quick update for you, and just to let you know, I've been feeling really well. For you who are still messaging me or commenting on my previous videos, I've been feeling so much better, and it is pretty much due to, well, many reasons. I have changed my lifestyle a bit, and also because I am concentrating on this, and I have a vision, and I feel like I've got there's something bigger. And I'm just trying to follow my dreams and follow this one dream right now, and hopefully it will work out well. And yeah, I'm just trying to stay positive, and that's it really. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. It's just been an update, and I love you all, and I will see you soon. I will speak to you soon, and I will give you another update. And if you want to watch more of my life or what's happening, then like I mentioned, I've got TikTok, and I've got Instagram, I've got Facebook, which I'm not very present on, but yeah, you can follow me there if you want. And I'm gonna go. So see you soon. Bye. I'm really excited. Bye.